Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Monday noun. So line, line. A length of something, whether string, rope, metal, like silver, gold, anything, or fabrics. A fabric. So there is a long washing line. So a long string that is used to put wet clothes on. That line, yeah. There is a long line of people waiting to go inside. A long line of people waiting to go inside. A queue. Yeah. So these two lines are a railroad track. Yeah. Those two lines are for railroads. Yeah. Careful not to touch the lines. They might be electrified. Yeah, they might have electricity running through them. Electricity running through them. They might do, yeah. So those lines aren't safe. Yeah, strange as that. Yeah, aren't safe. So we have line. Line is in one, singular, and lines is in 2 plus, plural. Yeah, these lines are very long. These lines are very long. Yeah, be careful with them. Oops. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. So I drew the perfect line freehand. So I can draw a line, just my hand, no ruler, just my hand, like that. Oh, very close. Very close. These lines are very straight. Very good. Very good. Yeah, with free hand, just the hand, no other tools. Yes. And they are expanding the lines. So for example, the railroad lines are expanding. There will be more railroad. There will be more lines in the future. So like these, the lines are going to further places. They're expanding, going to more places. How cool is that? And how long do you think the line goes for? So how many people are in this line? It will take ages to get inside. The line is too long. The queue of people is too long. The line is too long. It'll take so long to enter. It takes so long to enter. Yeah. How cool is that? So line. So you could even say I have a line. This cable is a line. Follow the line. Whoops. Follow the line here, yeah. This long line of cable. Or this cable line, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So line. The length of something, whether string, rope, a metal line, like these, metal, or fabric. fabric. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. But can you use line in a sentence? And can you write that sentence in the comments below? And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Just type in Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.